For physicians, we offer listing opportunities to dedicated lap band surgeons. LapBandDoctors.com is created as a site for patients in the U.S. to find information about the lap band and to find lap band surgeons in their community. The goal is to aid patients in a sensible manner to make a decision in finding a lap band surgeon without being inundated with internet ads for foreign surgeons in other countries. When a patient ends up choosing surgery in a foreign country, there is often less than optimal post-operative care, which is potentially unfavorable to all parties. Listings on LapBandDoctors.com are limited within each metropolitan area so as to not overwhelm a patient with a vast array of choices that may be unsettling. Doctors are approved on case-by-case basis and will demonstrate community on the lap band patients. Participating surgeons are also encouraged to provide guest posts for our lap band tips page, which provides information for prospective patients. This post can link back to the surgeon's personal web page. Brought to you by www.lapbanddoctors.com.